How to fix Whiskerwood crashing on Steam. Go to the library and open up the properties window of the game by right-clicking and open up the properties. Go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish. And once it's done, you want to go to the general tab and under launch options, you want to add the following command -dx11. Now you can close out of Steam and then you'll need to open up your browser, search for redistributables, click on the first link and then scroll down to the second table. Make sure to download and install the 86 and the 64 version, both of them. Now once you install these, you will need to open up your GPU app before restarting your system. If you have NVIDIA GPU, you will need NVIDIA app. Go to the drivers section and from here download and install the latest game ready driver. And once you're done, you can basically restart your system by clicking on the restart button. And once your system is restarted, you want to run Steam as admin before launching the game. Now you can launch the game and that should fix the crashing problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.